When you think of trucks, luxury might not be the first word that comes to mind. But in today's world, trucks have transformed from being just workhorses into rolling mansions. Packed with state-of-the-art technology, ultra-comfortable interiors, and amenities you'd expect in a five-star hotel. These trucks redefine life on the road. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the top 5 most luxurious trucks in the world. Let's dive. At number 5. Mercedes-Benz Actros, a name synonymous with both power and prestige. The Actros isn't just about hauling cargo. It's about doing it in style. With its fully digital cockpit, intuitive multimedia controls, and luxurious leather seating, this truck is like stepping into futuristic command center. Coming in at number 4 is the Volvo FH16, a truck that's as reliable as it is luxurious. Designed for those who demand excellence on every mile, the FH16 boasts a cabin that feels more like a premium lounge than a driver's seat. The spacious cabin offers ergonomic seating, advanced climate control, and an infotainment system that keeps drivers entertained on long journeys. Plus, Volvo's legendary safety systems make it a top choice for professional drivers. Key features: ergonomic design, premium interiors, infotainment system. At number 3, we have the Scania S-Series, a Scandinavian masterpiece that blends engineering excellence with sheer comfort. This truck doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Inside the S-Series, drivers are treated to a plush cabin with adjustable seating, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art multimedia system. Scania also ensures drivers stay fresh with a comfortable sleeping area and plenty of storage space. Securing the number 2 spot is the Kenworth W990, an American classic that combines heritage with high-end luxury. Known for its robust build and vintage design, the W990 is a favorite among long-haul drivers. The interior feels like a luxury hotel suite with premium leather upholstery, polished wood panels, and an entertainment system. It's a home away from home for drivers on endless roads. Key features: classic design, leather interiors, entertainment system. And at number 1, the Mack Super-Liner, the king of luxury trucks. This isn't just a truck. It's a mobile palace designed for those who demand nothing but the best. With a fully equipped sleeper suite, including a comfortable bed, a TV, and even a kitchenette, the Super-Liner takes luxury to an entirely new level. It's the perfect balance of power, performance, and comfort. So, there you have it, the top 5 most luxurious trucks in the world. Which one caught your eye? Are you Team Mack Super-Liner or a fan of the Volvo FH16? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.